In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve flight mode missing in Windows 11 Taskbar system tray. So to fix this problem, click on this system tray, right click on this system tray and edit quick settings, and here click on add. Here you will see some options. First option, airplane mode, selected. Click on done. Click anyway. Now again click on system tray. You are able to see airplane mode. You can turn on or turn off by clicking on it. So this is the short and basic video to fix Windows 11 errors and problems. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel.